The highest mountain peak in India lies in which mountain range? Aravali, Karakoram, Himalayas, Vindhya. Answer C. Himalayas. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer B. Stratosphere. The Ring of Fire is associated with which natural phenomenon? A. Earthquakes and volcanoes. B. Cyclones. C. Ocean currents. D. Desert formation. Answer A. Earthquakes and volcanoes. Which type of rainfall is common in coastal regions of India? A. Convectional. B. Orographic. C. Cyclonic. D. Monsoonal. Answer B. Orographic. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Answer C. 8. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. Answer D. Pacific Ocean. The phenomenon of rise and fall of sea level is known as A. Ocean current. B. Tsunami. C. Tide. D. Wave. Answer C. Tide. Which ocean current warms the western coast of Europe? A. Labrador Current. B. Canary Current. C. Gulf Stream. D. Humboldt Current. Answer C. Gulf Stream. The salinity of ocean water is highest in A. Polar regions. B. Equatorial regions. C. Temperate regions. D. Subtropical regions. Answer D. Subtropical regions. Which force is responsible for folding of rocks? A. Endogenic. B. Exogenic. C. Atmospheric. D. Fluvial. Answer A. Endogenic. Igneous rocks are formed by A. Deposition. B. Sedimentation. C. Cooling of magma. D. Compaction. Answer C. Cooling of magma. Which landform is created by river deposition? A. Gorge. B. Delta. C. Waterfall. D. Canyon. Answer B. Delta. The study of earthquakes is called A. Geology. B. Seismology. C. Volcanology. D. Petrology. Answer B. Seismology. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? A. Ganga. B. Gandak. C. Kosi. D. Sun. Answer C. Kosi. Black soil is best suited for cultivation of A. Rice. B. Wheat. C. Cotton. D. Tea. Answer C. Cotton. Which plateau is rich in mineral resources in India? A. Deccan Plateau. B. Chota Nagpur Plateau. C. Malwa Plateau. D. Meghalaya Plateau. Answer B. Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Western Ghats are also known as A. Purvanchal. B. Sahyadris. C. Nilgiris. D. Aravalis. Answer B. Sahyadris. The normal lapse rate refers to A. Increase in pressure with height. B. Decrease in temperature with height. C. Increase in rainfall. D. Change in wind direction. Answer B. Decrease in temperature with height. Which monsoon brings rainfall to Tamil Nadu? A. Southwest monsoon. B. Northeast monsoon. C. Retreating monsoon. D. Pre-monsoon showers. Answer B. Northeast monsoon. Which of the following factors mainly influences the distribution of rainfall in India? A. Latitude. B. Altitude. C. Pressure and wind system. D. Ocean currents. Answer C. Pressure and wind system.